Good morning, students. This is Ronnie, daughter of NRA. Today our topic is hydrogen oxygen fuel cell. Fuel cell means electrochemical cell. Electrochemical cell. Electrochemical cell like galvanic cell. Electrochemical cell converts chemical energy into electrical energy. Chemical energy into electrical energy. Chemicals produce electricity. Chemical energy converted into electrical energy. That conversion cell is called electrochemical cell. Like this, electrochemical cell, another word fuel cell. Fuel means chemical energy. Fuel means chemical energy. Fuel cell contains fuel. Fuel is chemical. Chemical means fuels means petrol, diesel, kerosene or others. Okay. These fuel cell like electrochemical cell. Another word galvanic cell. Okay. This fuel cell contains fuel, hydrogen fuel and oxygen fuel. Hydrogen and oxygen produce electricity. That cell is okay. That cell, draw this picture. Hydrogen oxygen fuel cell contains two electrodes. Two electrodes. These two electrodes are made from graphite. Graphite. These two electrodes contains graphite, full of graphite, small amount of platinum or lead. Pb. Okay. Pb. Platinum or lead. Small amount of platinum is present in graphite rod or lead. Okay. These graphite rod contains pores and holes. Okay. These pores in this graphite rod. So these graphite rod name, another name is porous electrode. Porous electrode. Pores means holes. Holes containing electrode is porous electrode. This full of graphite, some amount of platinum and lead. Okay. These two rods, one rod acting as anode. Anode charge, negative charge. Anode act as negative charge. Another rod act as cathode, contains positive charge. Okay. This is graphite. One rod is act as anode, another rod is cathode. These two rods connected into voltmeter. Okay. This voltmeter measures electricity. These two rods, in between these two rods, contains electrolyte. In between these two rods contains electrolyte, that is KOH. Potassium hydroxide, 2.5% potassium hydroxide solution is fill this space. This solution, another name is electrolyte. This middle place contains solution is electrolyte. These two rods are electrodes. Solution electrolyte. Okay. Electrolyte and electrodes are available. Next, oxygen hydrogen fuels are supplied. Anode space supplies hydrogen fuel. Hydrogen fuel is supplied through anode rod. These hydrogen fuel like hydrogen gas, H2 gas. This H2 gas supplied to this side, anode side. The H2 gas and anode side reaction. What reactions takes place? At anode reaction anode reaction is hydrogen gas supplies. These hydrogen gas releases into anode side. This hydrogen gas H2. 2 moles of hydrogen gas. 2 moles of hydrogen gas plus 4 OH minus. These 4 OH minuses are present in this solution. This solution is KOH, K plus and OH minus ions are produced. These OH minus are ionized. K plus and OH minus are released in this solution. These OH minuses, 4 OH minuses are released in this side. 4 OH minuses are released in anode side. That 4 OH minuses are this. Okay. 2 molecules of H2 gas, 4 OH minus ions produces 4 H2O molecules. 4 water molecules is produced and 4 electrons is produced. These 4 water molecules produced by this water molecule contains 8 hydrogens, 4 into 2, and okay, total 8 hydrogens. These 8 hydrogens are 4 hydrogens are H2 gas. H2 molecules of H2 gas contains 4 hydrogens. 2 into 2, 4 hydrogens. Right. 2 into 2, 4 hydrogens is this. 4 OH minus. 4 OH minus contains 4 H plus. 4 hydrogens. Total 8 hydrogens. These 8 hydrogens is this. 4 into 2, 8 hydrogens is right. 8 hydrogens are produced. Next, 4 oxygens. 4 oxygens are produced from 4 OH minus contains 4 oxygens. These 4 oxygens is present. Total these 2 molecules produce 4 H2O molecules. 4 H2O molecules produced from these 2. Okay. Next, 4 electrons is produced from 4 OH minuses contains 4 OH minus contains 4 minus charges. 4 minus charges. Minus means extra electrons. Extra electrons. How many extra electrons is there? 4 minus is there. 4 extra electrons is there. Produce 4 electrons. Okay. These 2 compounds produces 4 H2O molecules, 4 water molecules and 4 electrons. Okay students. This is the first reaction at the anode side reaction. Anode side reactions produce 4 water molecules, 4 electrons. These 4 water molecules enters. These 4 water molecules enters electrolyte side. 4 water molecules enters into electrolyte or KOH solution side. Next, 4 electrons moves from voltmeter upper side. 4 electrons moves from upper side. Okay, 4 electrons moves from upper side and 4 water molecules moves from electrolyte side. Okay, next these electrons moves voltmeter and next enters into cathode region. Cathode region electrons are entered. These 4 electrons use cathode. This cathode contains, let's rub this. This cathode contains fuel. That fuel is oxygen fuel. Hydrogen fuel is available this. Oxygen fuel next cathode region side. Oxygen fuel. Oxygen fuel. Another name is oxidizer. Oxidizer is enters into cathode region. cathode region oxygen is entered. These oxygen and these 4 electrons undergoes reaction. That reaction is at cathode reaction. Cathode reaction, write red color. Cathode reaction. Cathode reaction. This cathode contains oxidation. Oxidizer. Oxygen is available. Oxygen O2 plus 4 electrons is entered. 4 electrons. 4 electrons. Next, these water middle electrolyte contains 4 water molecules. These 4 water molecules splits into 2 water molecules. These 2 water molecules are entered cathode region. 2 water molecules. Okay, these 2 water molecules like this. Right? 2 water molecules. Total reaction: oxygen. Oxygen is available. 4 electrons is entered. 2 water molecules releases from electrolyte side. Electrolyte side to cathode region. 2 water molecules produce 4 OH minus ions. 4 OH minus ions produced from these 3 compounds. These 3 compounds, what is that? 4 oxygens is available from 2 oxygens. Oxygen gas contains 2 oxygens. H2O molecule contains 2 oxygens. These two oxygens, total 4 oxygens is available. Okay. Next, 4 hydrogens. 4 hydrogens are 2 water molecules contains 4 hydrogens. 2 into 2. 4 hydrogens. 4 hydrogens is set. 4 hydrogens, 4 oxygens. Next, 4 minus charge. 4 minus charge produced from 4 electrons. Okay. Total, these 3 compounds produced 4 OH minus ions. These 4 OH minus ions immediately released outside. 4 OH minus ions. KOH and electrolyte side releases these 4 OH minus ions. These 4 OH minus ions are enters into electrolyte. Next, students, these are the 2 reactions. First reaction, anode. At anode reaction, another name oxidation. Oxidation reaction. Cathode reaction, another name is reduction. Reduction reaction. Once again, at anode reaction contains 2H2. H2 gas available from hydrogen fuel. Hydrogen fuel contains H2 molecules. 2 H2 molecules is there. 4 OH minus releases from electrolyte solution. Electrolyte solution contains KOH. K plus OH minus. 4 OH minuses releases anode side. 4 OH minuses, 2 H2 gas. Total 2 combines produce 4 H2O. 4 molecules of water. These 4 molecules of water releases electrolyte side. Goes to electrolyte side. These 4 water molecules moves to electrolyte side. Next, 4 electrons is produced. These 4 electrons is 4 OH minus contains 4 minus charge. 4 minus charge means 4 electrons. Okay. This is the anode reaction. Next, cathode reaction. Anode reaction produces 4 electrons. These 4 electrons moves upward voltmeter. Next, enters these 4 electrons enters into cathode region. This cathode region, electrolyte side, electrode side. This cathode reaction moves electrons. These electrons at cathode region, 4 electrons is present. Next, cathode region contains oxygen fuel, oxidizer. Oxidizer produces HO2, O2 oxygen, enters 4 electrons. Next, 2H2O. 2H2O moves, reduce, produced from electrolyte. Electrolyte already contains 4 water molecules. These 4 water molecules splits into 2 water molecules. These 2 water molecules uses cathode. Cathode use 2 water molecules. These 3 compounds produce 4 OH minus ions. These 4 OH minus ions immediately enters electrolyte side. Okay. Next, net reaction is, rub these students, write net reaction. At anode, reaction is 2H2 plus 4OH minus produce 4H2O plus 4 electrons. This is anode reaction. At cathode, cathode contains oxygen, 4 electrons, 2H2O, produce 4OH minus. Total net reaction, cancel these two. 4 OH minus ions cancel. These 4 OH minus ions are cancelled. Next, 4 electrons cancelled. This side 4 electrons cancelled. Next, 2 water molecules, and these 4 water molecules contains 2 water molecules. 2 water molecules are cancelled. Remaining 2 water molecules are write this. Okay. Cancellations are complete. Next, remaining compounds are write this. Remaining compounds 2H2. Next, no more compounds. Next, oxygen O2 gives rise, right side, 2 water molecules. Next, no compounds. 2 water molecules. Finally, net reaction is 2H2, 2 hydrogen gas plus oxygen gas. 2 gases are produced. 2 water molecules. These 2 water molecules are releases from down this bottom side. This cell bottom, 2 water molecules are releases. These 2 water molecules are releases this side. Okay. This is the net reaction. Hydrogen gas and oxygen gas both are combined and produce 2 water molecules. These 2 water molecules is fresh water, uses for irrigation and agriculture or drinking purpose. These 2 water molecules production, this process finally produce electricity. That electricity is measured this voltmeter. Okay, students.